I'm sure in all of your travels, you're always looking forward for the food aside from the place and its attractions. And if you're going to Dumaguete and looking for places to eat, this video is perfect for you. Hi, we are the House of Jaya. We are a new couple vlogging our life, travels, and everything in between. Welcome to our channel and we hope you like and finish this video. So let us get the video started. The first restaurant that we recommend you to visit is the Sanstrival Bistro along Rizal Avenue in downtown Dumaguete. They offer good food and good ambience that is perfect to jumpstart your vacation in the city of the gentle people. When you visit the place, I recommend that you dress up because the place is so Instagrammable. Talagang mapapapost ka. Sanstrival Bistro offers pasta, rice meals, salads, and of course their famous pastries. I recommend that you try their baby back ribs and pork kebab together with their healthy green and earth shake. If you are looking for a budget meal and still looking for that local vibe, try Foodnet along Santa Catalina Street, corner Noble Franca Street. This food court is like turo-turo style where you just point the food you want and they will hand it over to you immediately. We got escabeche, pancit, shrimp, vegetables, 3 rice, and brazo de Mercedes for our dessert. Our bill was just around 200 pesos. Cheap but tasty food. No wonder the local eats here and take out food for their loved one. Still along Rizal Boulevard is Gabby's Bistro, a family-friendly fun dining casual restaurant serving gourmet comfort food, so their Facebook page says. Lan and I both ordered pork and we were okay with the food. I guess we will try their breakfast meal next time. And before I forget, ang ganda din ng location ng restaurant. As the Gen Z would say, very aesthetic. On the northern part of downtown Dumaguete is an ancestral house converted into a fine dining experience. A time travel dining experience in Dumaguete indeed. Buglas Islas Cafe offers modernized Filipino cuisine that we'll all surely love. We ordered their Angus beef tapa and seafood pasta. We ended our meal with an intriguing taho cheesecake with dark sugar syrup and sago. Just like in Sanstrival Bistro, make sure to wear your best when you dine here whether day or afternoon. Mapapalaban ka sa aurahan sa lugar na ito. If you are looking for local delicacy, Joe's Chicken Inato is for you. They have several branches outside Dumaguete but they started in this city. We tried their chicken inato in Sibulan after we explored the Twin Lakes. Their Sibulan branch is by the sea, open air, and you'll surely enjoy the food. I would say that this is their version of inasal but without the chicken oil. Aside from chicken inato, we recommend that you get their rich lumpiang Shanghai. Also, one must buy is their sweet and creamy pastillas for just 100 pesos which can also give as a pasalubong. You are tired and wants to just relax with your cold craft beer after you hold a tour in Apo Island and Twin Lakes. Yes, you can have a local craft beer in Negrense Microbrewery and Food Lab along Noble Franca Street near Rizal Boulevard. Oops, before we get drunk, let me just say that they also serve rice and pasta meals. I ordered a beer sampler for 50 pesos each. All of them has a local flavor with different alcohol level. New to me are lemon beer, beer, and pink dragon. What stood out the best for me is Beer Nibay IPA with 7.2% alcohol. I ended up quite tipsy, so we had a walk along Rizal Boulevard and joined a local party at the park. It is so nice to just join the local in every trip. They will give you the best experience. Aside from the restaurant to eat in Dumaguete, we also have some recommendation for the food that you must try in Dumaguete. Puto and Puto Maya are sticky rice poured with hot chocolate. For just 10 pesos, it is a perfect breakfast meal for the local and curious tourists like us. You should also try other Dumaguete's kakanin such as budbod and kabog. You can get all of these in the public market at the back of Dumaguete Church. Along Surba Street, corner Santa Catalina Street, are stalls selling colorful drinks called fruit mix. If ever you are strolling in the afternoon, you should try this delicious drink rich with real fruit mixed with cream and milk. For 20 pesos, you can have a healthy afternoon snack. Lastly, everyone visiting Dumaguete should try Sanstrival cake. For us, you did not visit Dumaguete if you did not had this sweet treat. For just 35 pesos per slice, you will taste heaven in just a few bites. I would not blame you if you'll buy a box or two and bring it home with you. There are tons of food and restaurants that you should try in Dumaguete. What we have showed in this video are just some of it. Please comment down below if we missed some of the places and food that we can try when we go back to Dumaguete. Thank you for watching the whole video. Please like, share, and subscribe. Click the notification bell to notify you once we upload a new video. Happy travels!